Do I even need to answer that?
आई थिंक आई वुड लाइक टू बी लाइक रोशन सर। सबसे पहली बात तो ये कि बहुत पॉजिटिव इंसान है वो। और दूसरा कि जब भी कोई काम रहता है तो हमेशा एक ही चीज़ कहते हैं, करते हैं। भले डिफ़िकल्टी होगी लेकिन करके दिखाएंगे, ये है। और तीसरा, इज़ हैंडसम ऑल्सो, दैट्स वाई आई थिंक।
It was the fourth standard when I received this honorary punishment from my school teacher for not doing the homework. I was supposed to run in the entire corridor shirtless, and I was not allowed to wear innerwear too. So entire class was laughing at me, and especially that girls were like kiki 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 kiki. So this was the very embarrassing moment for my entire life. Thank you.
बचपन से अभी तक तो बहुत मिले हैं, बट रिसेंटली आई रिमेंबर अ पनिशमेंट ऑफ व्हेन आई वाज स्लीपिंग इन झांसर क्लास एंड बू आई वाज अवॉर्डेड विद ओवरनाइट असाइनमेंट। पूरी रात बैठ के असाइनमेंट करना था और सुबह सबमिट, वरना डिबार्ड होना। तो पूरी रात उठा, मेहनत किया और अगले दिन फिर से नहीं सोया। बस।
फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर में आई थिंक भंसाली सर नॉन फाइनेंस स्टूडेंट को हाफ ऑफ द ट्राइमेस्टर के लिए फर्स्ट बेंच में बिठा दिए थे। सो दैट वाज द बेस्ट पनिशमेंट वी हैव गॉट, क्योंकि जब भी सर आते थे और पूछते थे क्या है, डेबिट है, यस सर डेबिट है, डेबिट है, नहीं 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 सर क्रेडिट है, क्रेडिट है, तो सर और क्या होता है, इतना उससे ज़्यादा नहीं पता हमको।
Hello everyone. The one incident which I can never ever forget is that whenever I used to laugh out loudly or whenever I shout, I could always find Nandi sir around me, and this is something I can never ever forget.
A memory that I'll carry for life from camps is Embrace, and how all our faculties and department and all our students were acting as one family in our college fest. That was amazing.
For me, it will always remain finance and its subjects like corporate finance and cost accounting. I used to sleep in those lectures because there is no love inside me for that subject. But because of Geeta ma'am, I started developing interest in that subject and I started kind of liking that subject. So, yeah, that will be finance.
The most hated subject of mine is quants, but I always enjoyed in his class because of his comments. He always told that क्या करता है रे, कुछ भी बोल देता है।
Life lesson could be you have to understand one thing very seriously in life, that is, everything is uncertain and you still have to try.
The life lesson that I have learned from my favorite teacher is no matter how famous and successful you become in life, it's always important to be kind, humble, and down to earth.
Life lesson from Patil sir would be to deep dive, get super confused, and arrive at the solution with proper understanding. And this is from all the finance students.
कुछ सीखने के लिए आई थिंक फेवरेट टीचर होना ज़रूरी नहीं है। मैंने हर टीचर से कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा सीखा ही है। जैसे झा सर से मैंने टाइम मैनेजमेंट सीखा है, रोशन सर से मैंने काम को करना है ये एक चीज़ सीखी है, गीता मैम से मैंने पॉजिटिविटी सीखी है। और
Now we would like to close this video by showing you that how much efforts we as students put in remembering you in our daily lives. So we are going to reveal you the WhatsApp stickers that we use in our group to cherish our learnings from you. I would like to mention again our disclaimer. All the stickers we are revealing to you that we use are purely intended in good humor and not personal. You all will always inspire us, and we all greatly admire our CAMS family. So these are the stickers that we use to cherish our learnings from you. On this occasion of Teachers' Day, we are hoping that you take this positively and don't depart us in any subject. Thank you.